Hello, welcome everybody to channel Sube. Today I am going to discuss question number 49 of 2020 Physics MCQ paper. Block A of mass 2 kg and block B of mass 6 kg are placed on a frictionless horizontal surface. Two identical springs of negligible mass are fixed to the blocks as shown in the figure. Block A is projected with speed of 2 ms minus 1 towards block B, which is at rest. What is the maximum energy that the two springs could attain? In this question, what they ask is the maximum energy stored in the helical spring, maximum energy. To store energy, the springs must compressed. That is the first thing. Springs must be compressed. To compress the springs, both objects keeping the spring in between them should move together. Then both objects must move together, keeping the spring compressed between them. So all of them must have a same speed, moving as an one object as a compound. Therefore, we have to do now calculation supposing both objects move as a compound with the same speed. So let us apply conservation of linear momentum. You know, that is, if no external forces act on a system of colliding objects, the total momentum of the objects remain constant. So before the collision, we can draw these objects like this. A, this one 2 kg with a speed of 2, this one 6 kg, 0. Then we divide after the collision both objects as a one object compound, one compound object. So total mass is then 6 plus 2, 8 kg. Suppose the velocity is v. So applying the conservation of linear momentum to this direction, what is that? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals m1 plus m2 for this particular specific incident, v, total momentum. After the collision, total momentum this one. Before the collision, total momentum is this one. So since all the objects are moving to the same direction, no negative parts are coming here. So m1 is 2 kg, velocity 2 times 2 plus this one 6 kg, velocity 0, it is at rest. So this one 8 kg, velocity v. So this is 0. So 4 plus 0 equals 8. So 4 equals 8v. Then v equals half ms minus 1. So that is the velocity of this compound. So what is the energy that the spring obtains is the difference of kinetic energies. So energy that goes to the spring is what? Difference of kinetic energy, energy kinetic. So difference of kinetic energy means initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy is half mv squared. M means only this one is moving, so we have to take the mass of that. So 2 times 2 squared. The velocity is 2. So square of that. So that is the initial one. This one has no kinetic energy because it is at rest. Then final one 8 kilogram, then half mv squared. M is 8, v squared is square value of half this one. So 2 cancel, then 2 times 2 is 4, then 4 times then quarter, then 4 minus 4 divided by 4, 4 times 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 3 joule, that is the energy obtained by spring, that is the energy stored in the spring. So the answer is this one, the fourth one is the answer. Thank you very much guys for following my videos. So if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please do it right now. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.